Hello you guys, how are you doing? The CBR has had its first maintenance and they replaced the oil and oil filter. You can see the oil filter, the black one over there, and the oil. The chain was tensioned. And lubricated. The pivot points were lubricated and any slack was adjusted, and a general checkup also, and read out the board computer. So it was the 1000 kilometer maintenance, and the odo says 1336 kilometers on it. In the manual we can see 1000 kilometers, Honda diagnostic system, motor oil and oil filter. We have the tip ED, and here we can see nothing else. So if you are wondering what it costs, it was 162.36 euro for the small maintenance. And for the next maintenance at 12,000 kilometers, it would be the same, and extra the air filter they want to replace at 12,000. In the maintenance manual they said 18,000, but at the dealership they will replace it at 12,000 kilometers because it will be dirty, they said. So the air filter would be around 50 euros and higher labor cost also. So that's how much it costs to drive the CBR. But before 12,000 kilometers we will replace the tires also, so that's also an extra thing. But for the rest, it's a dream to drive. Honda Racing Corporation. We have respect, we salute you. I bought this also on AliExpress. Also the bobbins I bought. So we are ready to drive it again. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.